Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily download a Loom video. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser, go to loom.com, log into your accounts, and once you're here, I want you to understand first who can actually download the videos. So over here, the download permissions are actually for admins and creators, and this is only possible if you have a paid subscription or if you have a paid plan. So once you've successfully recorded a video or if you have successfully uploaded your video, you can actually download your videos over here. So for example, you are on your library section, click on it, then hover on to your video, click on the three dots to reveal more actions, and then you can choose download. As you can see, it shows in here, it is only for paid subscriptions. You can go avail the free trial and see if this website is up to your standards. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. I hope you found this video very helpful.